uh, one, one,
Mm.
two,
So,
and three. The first you talk about what's the contents. This one.
okay. So, if we divide this presentation into three parts, we can notice that from slide 2 until slide 5, these are about Filipino bananas.
Mm.
And then second part
Yeah.
is about like what is common right now, what is loved by people right now. So from 6 to 10, we have about Uniqlo or about clothing stores, because even though the first part was a bit more difficult than the second, we managed to combine the two.
Yeah. Okay. And could you please talk about these parts? Second one, up to here, the some group or topic is Filipino banana and its cheap price
Mhm.
or cheap labor is one group. Okay,
All right.
and the second group is clothing store and cheap labor
All right.
also. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and last one is the solution. Please talk about the last one.
Okay. So, firstly, I want you to look at slides 2 and slide 6. So, here they are, 2 and 6. You will see that the words there are, I mean, it's a question sentence because that is your start. And
Okay.
in the start of your presentation, you want to ask your audience, you want to engage them.
Okay.
So, slide.
Okay, very good. Yeah, and the question is work very well when to raise their attention when
Mhm.
they try to involve the audience. Okay, allow me to use the Japanese. まあ、一つのグループ、これはまあバナナと、そこで働く人々、日本ではとても高いですけどフィリピンではとても安いんでそこに、とても安くてうまいという、だけどもそれはフィリピンにとっては嬉しいようなよく日本で売れるんだけどもあんまり利益が上がらないんで人々の賃金が上がらないと困ってるということですね。Okay, second part, you talk about Uniqlo. This is not only regarding only Uniqlo. This matter or the part of the clothing store there normally. Yeah, right?
Yes, that's right. But we chose to have Uniqlo as something that we like because it's very common for us
Okay.
to have Uniqlo. But we are actually talking about the clothing stores that has problems like these
Yeah.
when
Okay.
it comes to employment.
Yeah, and uh, okay, some professor suggested the name of the specific company name is not should not be used for the presentation uh, from the viewpoint of the copyright. Maybe if you wanted to use this kind of the uh, name, uh, so after making the presentation, please get the permission from the Uniqlo of some company. That was a good
Okay.
solution. In this case, you praise Uniqlo, so there are no problem to use in this
Mm.
case. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Yeah. And
So, mhm.
yeah. And last part. So first, again, first you talk about cheap labor and Filipino banana because of you are from Philippines. So
Yes.
it's very important. Second one is Japanese and other countries are people talking about the clothing store. Yeah, that was very close to their daily life. Yeah, and you point out the salary for the worker who make this one. Okay, okay, and cheap labor, and from Philippines, issue from Philippines, from all over the world. The common issue, the clothing store. Okay, very good. And last part.
Okay, so again, you have to, for example, firstly, you have to ask. Second, give them information, give them facts. And then lastly, look at slides 5 and 9. We have an opinion.
Mm.
For this, we said that cheap is good, that's right, but fair salary is important. And on slide 9, we said that this is our opinion that salaries should
Okay,
increase.
okay. Thanks so much. Later you will explain more detail. But now we'd like to the how to make as a first step. Story is very important, right?
All right. Oh, yes.
Okay, okay. As-
Okay. I got excited.
okay.
Sorry. So now we're down to the last part. And this last part is the most important one because that is your conclusion. So here, you have to share what you think would be right. So you have to share them your action plan, what you want to do
Okay.
to make something more sustainable,
Okay.
which is the goal
So
of SDGs.
yes, yes. Thanks so much. 最後に、ここはアクションプランとか皆さんに持って帰ってほしい理解してほしいというところがここに来るわけですね。And ザリンに、どんなメッセージが、聞き手に残るかということを聞いてみたいと思います。ザリンwhat do you expect your audience receive from your presentation?
Mm. Of course, our message there is to strengthen the SDGs. That's why we don't just want them to know the facts. We want to make an impact so that people will be responsible consumers and they will know about the current issues that we are facing in the economy side of the world.
Okay, thank you so much. So, ただ単に安ければいいからじゃなくしてやっぱり共に働く共に生きる人々の生活とか経済というものも考えた形での生活というものを最終的に提案したかったということだと思います。Okay, thanks so much. Very good. Good message.
Okay.
And